We flew to Bacolod for the weekend, and here is our 2 days and 2 nights itinerary. This is my first time visiting Bacolod, and I'm so happy I visited this city because this ticks off my Negros Occidental province. I want to visit all 82 provinces of the Philippines, and so far Bacolod Negros Occidental is my 35th province. From Davao City, we took a Friday night flight direct to Bacolod via Cebu Pacific, and it's only an hour flight. We headed straight to our hotel for check-in and rested so that we're energized for tomorrow's day tour. First in our itinerary is to try Kalea pastries and coffee. To be honest, hindi ako naka-research ahead of time and akala ko may breakfast meals sila dito, but they only serve coffee and cakes, so dessert agad breakfast namin. Bestseller ang imported chocolate cake and pecan pie a la mode. They're open 9 a.m. pero pumunta na kayo dito kung nakakain na kayo ng proper meals, and for desserts na lang. Next in our itinerary is the Negros Museum located at Gatsulao Street. It is Negros Occidental's provincial museum, and it's dedicated to promote and sustain deep understanding of local culture, history, artistic practice, and ecology. Prepare 100 pesos for entrance fee. For lunch, we went to Pakpakero located at the Northway Building, Gallardo Street. Only Wings restaurant siya, and we tried their salted egg, which is their bestseller, and chicken teriyaki flavor. Nag-add na rin kami nitong cheese, kaya mas mapasarap yung teriyaki flavor chicken. Syempre, hindi ako makakape, so we went to 19th Street Coffee, Lacson, to try their Spanish latte. Para matunawan kami ng kinain, we walked to Jojo Vito Design Gallery. Medyo malayo-layo rin yung nalakad namin, and I thought it was a museum for mascaras, but it's actually a house gallery. It has been featured in numerous print and broadcast media outlets, and bumili na rin kami ng mascara magnets for pasalubong. And then we passed by San Sebastian Cathedral and took pictures at the Bacolod Public Plaza para naman may picture kami na may sign ng Bacolod. Umulan na kaya we headed back to our hotel and nagpalipas oras muna, and for this part of the vlog, is the hotel room tour. We booked Urban View Hotel via Red Doors, and it's located at 13th Lacson Street. 2 rooms yung nabook namin kasi originally ako lang dapat pumunta ng Bacolod, kaya single room lang yung binook ko. But then nabudol ko si Abby kaya she booked a deluxe room good for 2. For dinner, we went to the famous Manokan to try Aida's Chicken Inasal. Chicken Inasal is the famous food ng Bacolod, kaya hindi pwedeng hindi kayo makakain ito. And last place we visited for the day is Portico Cafe and Lounge located at 23rd Lacson Street. They have the best margarita I've ever tried. For day 2, nag-check out na kami, so we toured around, dala-dala na yung bags namin. We had our breakfast at Kohi Majiko located at the 19th corner Lacson Street. We ordered pesto pasta and crunchy biscoff croffle, and of course, matcha latte. Yung place talaga nila yung napa-attract sa akin kasi ang ganda ng Japanese aesthetics and masarap din yung food nila. After that, nag-grab kami papunta sa Art District at Santa Clara Avenue. Sunday morning kami pumunta kaya close majority ng shops dito. I suggest pumunta na kayo dito if open yung shops nila para lively naman yung experience. Another grab to Bacolod Welcome Marker. Ang purpose lang talaga bakit kami pumunta dito is magpa-picture sa welcome sign ng Bacolod. Medyo malayo-layo na to sa downtown and malapit na sa next itinerary namin. If titignan mo sa maps, the ruins is actually already in Talisay City, hindi na siya sa Bacolod. It is the ancestral mansion of Don Mariano Ledesma Lacson and Maria Braga Lacson, built in the early 1900s, inspired by Italian architecture. Prepare 150 pesos for entrance fee. Then we went to Balay Negrense in Silay, but it's closed for renovation until further notice. Kaya naglakad-lakad na lang kami dito na area kasi puro ancestral home itong street na to. Then we had our lunch in Cafe 1925. We went for a quick tour sa Bernardino Haladoni Museum in Rizal Street, Silay. It is a real heritage house from the 1900s and the entrance fee is 70 pesos only. This is the last itinerary before we headed back to the airport and waited for our flight to Davao City. I wish we could have stayed more days para ma-explore pa namin yung Negros Occidental Province, but if you're planning for a weekend trip only, then I hope this vlog helps in making your itinerary. See you on the next vlog and bye!